Hey guys, it's Nilly. So I'm back to do another makeup look. This is the look right here. Okay guys, so if you're interested in seeing me create this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna get into doing my eyebrows. I haven't done that on camera really, like the full-on sculpting of my brows. It takes a while. But yeah, so I already went ahead and did my foundation, and I'm using I mixed two shades. I mixed 334 Warm Sun and 355 Coconut. So we're gonna get into brows before we continue with the rest of the face. I'm using a product that's still fairly new to me. Find it. Oh no, it's here. God, I was just looking for that thing hard and I already took it out. So for my brows, what I'm going to use is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in Deep Brown. To apply that, I'm going to use my brow brush, and this is the ABH brush number 12. I'm going to apply that to my brows. I don't have any brows, so you know what you see is kind of... and the light is not washing me out. This is how my brows really look, guys. My daughter cracks on me all the time, talking about she can't take me seriously because she can't see my brows. So here is the applicator for the brow gel. It's similar to a spoolie, just a lot smaller, I should say. But I'm not going to use the actual applicator wand. I'm going to use my angle brush because you ain't got no eyebrows, you should not be doing that. It just makes no sense to me. What am I gonna be tracing? The lines I can't see? You know, that's the only dumb thing about this this product here. I don't like the applicator wand. What I'm gonna do is brush my brows out, up I should say, and then I'm gonna carve out the bottom. So taking the angle brush, I'm gonna start doing light strokes, carving out my brow. And I'm just doing here like strokes going upward into the actual brow, the center of the brow. And if you make any mess, you can always clean that up with concealer. I don't think I like this brush. It's my first time using this brush with this type of product. It works better with like a thick pomade, not a liquid. Comb through. Anytime I apply any product to the front of my brows, I want to comb through it immediately. And then I'm going to brush my hairs in a downward motion, and I'm going to go over the top with the product. And that's what we have so far. Okay, so doing the same thing to the other brow, starting right here. I do this brow a little bit faster. It doesn't give me any trouble. Now combing the hair down, downward motion. You want to try to be very light as you can be with this. You can go overboard with this product because it's so liquidy. I'm just doing like hair-like stroke in a downward motion. Comb through the front of the brow with a point at the bottom so we can do some hair-like strokes. Hey, I could always draw my eyebrows on. Tiana. So that's what we have so far. Now, I get a little bit extra with this brow thing. So the next thing I like to do is go over this with a pencil. And the reason why I do that is because I have oily skin, more so oily to combination skin, or combination, what is it? I have combination skin. I keep looking for stuff I already put out. So my skin tends to produce a lot of oil, especially all in this area. By the time I'm done recording this video, my eyebrows will probably be melted off. I'm gonna do the same thing, hair light strokes. And this helps me carve out my bottom a little bit more. They're dark. So following that, I like to take my brow gel from NYX, and this is the Tinted Brow Mascara in Chocolate, and I love this. I use a lot of NYX products for my brow. Focusing on the front of the brow first, then taking it over. And I'm gonna comb my hair in a downward motion. I just like how it looks. So comb up first at the front of the brow, and then we're gonna run through. Now we're going to go on to concealer. I'm going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade Golden. And I'm using a flat brush. So this is the eye. My camera's cut off, and here's what we have. So let's do the other side. And we're just blending out, and this is a blending brush. Amazon brush, Best Op. You know what to call it, Best Top, Best Stop, B-Stop. How many things you could call this thing? Here it is, let's see. I love this brush. It's really good for blending, not just concealers, but shadows. It's a synthetic brush. So now I'm gonna set that concealer that I just applied, and I'm gonna be using my Jacob and Eli palette, and this is the Candy and Peaches palette. So here is the palette that I'll be using. Before I even get into the look that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my brow with Toffee from this palette right here. And it's just a nude color. And I'm using a Borghishi brush, and I bought this from Costco years ago. Just to lock that in, that way we don't have any creases. On that same blending brush, I'm gonna take Caramel, which is this one, and it's a brown. I'm gonna pack that on my brush real nicely. Start blending in my crease with this shadow and up to the brow bone. You can barely see this color on me, but I'm gonna build up the color. Next, I'm gonna go into Chocolate right here from the palette, and we're gonna place that right in the outer corner. What is going on there? Something funny is happening right in here. And just blend that using the same brush. And this is a Morphe M433 brush. Okay, what's next? Trying to do something different here. You know, we can't do the same look over and over again. So I'm gonna go back into Caramel right here. And I'm just gonna blend out. And I should have used a different brush. This is huge. And the brush I used to apply Chocolate, I'm gonna go back and just blend with that. Not adding any more product to the brush. Oh, Lord mercy. Can't do that. Did I dig in that with my nail? Something going on with me today. Don't be dip on me. Because me, I make a whole bunch of mistakes in this house here. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just trying to find a brush. And I find it. I find a brush. The brush sitting right there so in front of me. What I'm going to do next is, at the very bottom, I'm going to go into Licorice right here. And that's under Chocolate. And this is a M514 brush from Morphe. So I'm applying Licorice in the same areas that I applied Chocolate. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take Gumball right here, and it's a mauve, and I'm going to apply that right on the edge again to continue to diffuse anything. Okay guys, so I'm going to take Fruity, which is this shadow at the very bottom, and I'm going to apply that right in here. From the palette, I'm going to take Salt Water. I'm going to wet my brush with some Morphe setting spray. Ooh, oh Lord! I should have never did my inner corner, but it's too late now. We're just going to have to evolve with it. You gotta blend. There it goes. Next, I'm going to go in with Chocolate. And if you're wondering, this is a Morphe E43 brush. Next, I'm adding Licorice to that outer edge as well. Alright guys, so I'm finished with the palette for now. Let's go on to face before I completely forget all about it. I never done my makeup this way. This is completely reversed. And I'm using Golden to do that, the same concealer that I used to carve my brows out. Okay, so I'm gonna just blend that out while trying not to jack my eye up. Okay, and next I'm gonna contour using Mocha. So I'm using the Morphe E7 brush to blend that out. Going to use Kat Von D contour palette, and I'm taking Lyric, which is right here, the small shadow at the top. Next, I'm going to contour using Subconscious, and my shadows fell, so they switched around. Subconscious is usually on the end, but mine went in the middle. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer from NYX, and this is the Deep Tan. So I'm gonna add blush, and the blush of my choice is Soft Blush. I love these trio brushes, they're so pretty. I'm gonna set my face down a bit with some setting spray from Morphe. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender and tap that face. I'm going to use Morphe E61 brush and my crown of my canopy highlighter from Wet n Wild. Just like this. A little bit of Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. Not too much. I already got too much. She already out of control. Let's keep going. Love highlighter. Foundation could be a highlighter. I would be it. Seriously. So I'm gonna go back into chocolate again, and I'm just gonna add this to the bottom lash line again. Alright guys, so I'm back to finish the look, and you know, that's the finished face so far. I just have to do my lips and we're good to go. Okay, so for lip, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Limbo, and there it is. This is dark. Okay, that is Limbo. Now I'm gonna add Pillow Talk, and it is a lippy lipstick. These are very dry. They're both matte, so my lips are getting ready to start a fire. And this is Mamacita from Colourpop. Alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And if you have any ideas of contents you want me to do on my channel, please be free to let me know down below as well. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs this video up, as well as hit that notification bell so that all my videos can come to you whenever I upload. So again, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all in another tutorial. Bye!